Introducing ready-to-finish outdoor gas fireplaces from the Outdoor GreatRoom Company. Available in both see-through and single-sided, you are sure to find the perfect fit for your outdoor living space. These ready-to-finish fireplaces are constructed of marine-grade galvanized steel framing wrapped with non-combustible James Hardie board. The internal firebox is lined with 304 stainless steel and uses standard sizes of our industry's top-of-the-line Crystal Fire Plus burners. These fireplaces are available in both single-sided and see-through versions. Each version is available in several standard sizes from 40 inches to 10-foot long firebox openings and every foot interval in between. Let's look at the key features that differentiate these fireplaces from others in the market. The first and most important feature is the flame. These fireplaces use the same Crystal Fire Plus burners that are used in OGC's best-in-class fire tables. Crystal Fire Plus burners are approved for higher BTUs, resulting in much taller flames than traditional gas fireplaces. The second feature is closely related to the first. Since the flame is much taller, you need a taller viewing area to house the flame. Each fireplace has a standard opening height of 20 inches compared to the 15 to 18-inch openings of most competitive fireplaces. The third feature has to do with ease of installation. Traditional fireplaces require the installer to manually measure and construct the framing with precise dimensions and physically hoist and affix the fireplace into the framing. For obvious safety reasons, it's critical to meet your clearances to combustibles, and many of these applications often require steel studs. The ready-to-finish fireplaces from OGC come pre-framed from the factory using all non-combustible materials. This reduces complexity, increases installer efficiency, and helps assure the fireplace is installed safely. No more relying on subcontractors to get it right. Let's look quickly at the step-by-step process. Set the ready-to-finish fireplace on your desired surface. Run your gas and electrical to the enclosure. In this case, they are stoning the fireplace, so attach your wire lath, install your stone, and your installation is complete. Minimal time, minimal expense, providing maximum time to enjoy. The final key feature to this product is the large variety of sizes and customization available. Choose from 7 standard sizes of both single-sided fireplaces and see-throughs. In the event you desire to have a unique sized fireplace structure, your options to customize are easy. One option is to frame around the fireplace to your desired specification. Consult the installation manual for clearances to combustible walls and framing. The second and better option is to give OGC the desired dimensions of your structure, and we can quote and produce it for you. So all you will have to do is deliver it and set it on the patio. Whether you desire the structure to be taller or deeper, or perhaps you want the firebox opening to be taller, provide the OGC sales team with your requested dimensions. Within 24 hours, we can typically get you a drawing and quote for you to present to your customer. Operation of these fireplaces are easy. The standard ready-to-finish fireplaces are electronic ignition and do require electricity to be ran to the structure. This means they can also be used in commercial applications. You can operate the fire from a pre-attached switch on the side of the fireplace structure as shown here, or install a switch or timer anywhere in series with your electrical circuit. You can even use OGC's Smart App system or incorporate the fireplace into your smart home controls. The 40-inch fireplace in both single-sided and see-through is also available with a manual safety ignition system. No electricity needed, and even has storage access for a 20-pound tank. Any size of these RTF fireplaces can be ordered as a custom using the manual ignition valve. This, however, does require an exposed control panel beneath the front center of the firebox opening as shown here. Taller flame, more heat, greater viewing area, less mess, and factory-installed safety are all available to you when you choose the ready-to-finish fireplaces from the Outdoor GreatRoom Company.